Alright, hello everyone and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and preparation for Elastic Certified Engineer, and today with a new topic we will see how we define and use multi-fields with a different data type and or analyzers. By the end of this video we will learn how or see what's multi-field are and why they are important. We see also how to configure them in your Elasticsearch mapping and having practical examples to implement the multi-fields. Right, so that being said, let's jump to the documentation. So the multi-fields in Elasticsearch is the same, or indexing the same field in different ways for a different purpose. So like we can index the same field, which is here, for example, city, as a text, and also city.row or .keyword as a keyword, or also it can be here long or any type of number, and here it's gonna be a keyword, and so on and so forth. Why? Because in our search, if it is for example, if it is text, we cannot run we can run a search query, but we cannot run an aggregation. So to be able to run it as an aggregation, it should be a keyword. So in this case, for the same field city, we can run both. Like if we are searching for a city, we can use city. If we want to for example, see or run aggregation, let's say I want to see how many requests we get from New York City, for example, then I can, or in this case, if it is a keyword, we can run an aggregation, right? The other part is the analyzer. We can apply one or multiple analyzers, right? So for the same field, right here, like we say, okay, for this text or for this type, apply analyzer 1, which is, for example, uppercase, lowercase, and here, for example, in the second, or if it is, let's say, text and text, the first one we do lowercase, uppercase, or any other analyzer, and the second one we say, for example, is a case and sensitive, for example. So this will help us to implement our search app and or prepare a mapping for the different use cases or for different scenarios that we're gonna or we want to implement, right? So let's jump to our environment and see how we can do that. Okay, so let's go to the DevTools. So remove this one. So I will put, I don't know, say demo tech demo multi fields type. Okay, so here I will define the mappings, right? And here in the property I will do type, or sorry, the name of the field first. So I see, for example, title, and here's gonna be the type. So let me just push it here. Here we go. So it's gonna be a text. Then we will define the other type, right? So I see fields, and here keyword or row or whatever, keyword, sorry. Oh, and here I do the type, and the type should be here keyword, right? Let's run now the mapping. So we index or we prepare our index. So now if we do this, so get demo multi-fields, here we go. So if we do like this and we call the mapping endpoint, okay, 1 second, let's just typo here. Here we go. So we have a title as a text, and also we have title.keyword as a keyword. So here an example of implementation. So let's index our first document, demo multi-fields, and I say doc and doc number 1, and here I say title, right? Title equal demo book title and index, right? So now if we run the search, if we run the search now, demo multi-fields and search, here what we get. So this is our field, right? And it contains the both types. Now if we run the search or if we run the aggregation, we can do that. So let's implement this one. So we do get, for example, the same. It's gonna be it's gonna be the same endpoint or the same query, right? And here let's implement, so query match, for example, and the field here, the field is title, right? As you can see, title and title dot keyword. So it's title and title dot keyword. The first one as a text and the second one is as a keyword, right? So here, if we get the value here and search, and we get it, right? Now look at this. If we do a keyword like this and we run, we also get the same result. Now if we remove one character from the value here, it's not getting a result. Why? Because the keyword, we should give the exact match, right? So like this is getting the result. Now if we do an aggregation, so let's do get. Okay, I have it here. Okay, so it's get demo multi-fields, and here's gonna be search, and here it's gonna be aggregation, right? So the name, I'll just give it a name, title, and here, for example, it's gonna be term, and here elastic aggregation. So let's just see the syntax. Okay, I have the term here. Perfect. So I have the field, and we have the field. So here we just say field, and here I give the field, right? So here the field is this one. So if we do a title like this, it's illegal. Why? Because it's a text. We cannot apply an aggregation on the text field. But if we use the other type, which is keyword like this, here it works, right? So I hope you get the points. Again, to summarize, or just for this example, what I did here, or what we did here, so we enable, or we define a mapping of this index, and especially for this field with a multi-type or multi-fields. The first one is text, the second one is a keyword. So we index the document, and when we run a search query on the field or on the keyword of the field, we get the result. And also we saw how we use the aggregation. So the aggregation should be on the keyword, and this is the benefit of having a multi-field. This is the positive thing. So the other side, if you do that, or if you do this thing or this mapping for every document, the size will be double. Like if you are handling, I don't know, if you are getting a terabyte daily, this is just for production of not for the exam, but this tip will help you. Like you use this one only, or you use a multi-fields only when you know that you need. If you don't need it, so use just one text or keyword. Don't use multi-field, because if you use it for all the documents or for all the fields, this gonna define, or this gonna give how to say it, double. This will double the size of the document. It's 1 kilobyte is gonna be 2 kilobytes, and so on and so forth, right? Let's see now the other parts. So we saw this one. Let's see how we use the sensitive, or how we use a different analyzer for the same fields, or for the fields, right? Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Define a new index, demo multi analyzer, and here we go to the settings, right? Analysis, and here I will call the analyzers, and here I will give it a name. I'll see case insensitive, right? And here we're gonna open. Here we will call the tokenizers. It's gonna be standard. Come on here, and also we can use the filter, and the filter here will lowercase our field or the content of our field, right? So here I will go to the mappings. So in the mappings I will call the properties, then here for example it's gonna be content, and here we will define the type. So we will keep it text, right? Then and here I will call the fields, and in the fields we have custom. Then we have the type of our field here, it's text. Then we will call our analyzer here, which is this one, case insensitive, right? So I will call the analyzer here, and it is gonna be like this. Here we go. So here we are able now to apply the analyzer, or define the mapping, or define the two fields. So we have content, so it's just a text, and the second one is a content dot custom, and it's also text but with a different analyzer, or we apply a specific analyzer, and this is the analyzer what we'll do. So it will tokenize like our inputs, puts every word puts every word in a token, then do the lowercase. So this is the example of the analyzers, I hope, or the multi-field. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.